What's up guys, Patrick here. Welcome to this video. I'll teach you how to install cabinet hardware. Something easy, something basic, something simple. I know a lot of places, especially the houses that I buy and rehab the cabinets, they don't have hardware on them. It's just, you just grab them and open them, leave your hand grease everywhere. There's nothing to really grasp onto. So it just makes it look so much better. So I got some really nice hardware for these cabinets that I painted recently. And kind of expensive hardware, but it looks fantastic. So I'm going to show you how to install cabinet hardware on cabinets that don't have any hardware whatsoever. Fairly simple, but I'll teach you how to do it. I'll show you how to make a little template. I made one, I've been using it for years. I actually have a patent on it, waiting for my patent to come in, my numbers and all that. So don't steal my idea. That's it, so let's jump into it. So this house here, I've been rehabbing for the last couple months now, and I'm getting to the finishing touches on the kitchen. This was pretty much a complete gut rehab. I bought it for back taxes, like I said, a few months ago. So I got some cabinet hardware on already, and while I was doing it, I was like, you know what? I bet a lot of people don't know how to do it. So, I mean, look how they look. You see how they are without hardware, and then just look how much better. See how much better that looks with hardware. So I'm going to put hardware on these, hardware on that, and here guys, this is what you're going to need. You need a drill or a screwdriver or whatever you got, Phillips head. I have an impact drill. It's my baby, I'm using it forever, as you can tell, multicolored Phillips head. And then another impact drill. You can switch out heads or whatever you got to do, or whatever you have to work that works for you. This is a 532, I believe. Let me double check. Yeah, 532 inch drill bit, and that's pretty much the exact size of the screws. It works for me at least. And then this is my little template that I made. Yeah, looks jankety, right? But it works, and it works really, really, really well. My idea that I submitted to be patented had a level on top of it. But I don't have that anymore. It broke. So now I'm just using my original template with a shitty level. But it works. And there's your peephole. So you drill those holes, and I'll show you when we put them on the cabinets. You drill those holes out, and then there's your little peephole for the dot you're going to make that shows your center. And then obviously you move this back and forth to find your center once you get it on the cabinet. So first thing we do is we measure. Yeah, so measuring tape, you're going to need one of those too. And then a trusty marker. This is the hardware I have. You saw it earlier when I showed you the cabinet. Do knobs knobs on these, right? Looks great. I'm gonna have these for that. Right. All right. The first thing you want to do is you want to find your center. So you measure left to right, or right to left, whatever. This is 25 inches wide, so obviously half of that to find your center for the width. And then you're going to go your center. So 5.25 inches. I'm going to go right in the middle of that. So 5.25. Okay, so right on that dot. That's how wide it is. That's how tall, basically. So there's my dot, right on the original dot, and then brought it down from top to bottom and from left to right. So left to right here, top to bottom here. Just matched it right along with that one. I always kind of just erase the first one. I'm gonna repaint it anyway. So I just kind of erase that, just so I know, just smudge it so I paint over it. And there we go. There's our center. So my template, man. So take my template, okay? Obviously I'm going to drill where the drill holes are, and then I have a hole right in the middle, so I call it my peephole, so you can kind of see where the dot is when you're lining it up. Done with the marker. Pop your level right on there. I'll show you how to do the template here in a minute, how to make one. Or you can buy mine when I make mine. Drill ready. my hole is. So I don't want the smudged one. Coming down. And right through my little peephole, I see it. Now once I got it right on the hole, hold it there. Hold it there. And then get it level, obviously. There we go. That's it. There's your holes. Take your hardware. I hate wrestling with these things. Just rip the bag open, man. Phillips head. Handle. Okay, so these screws aren't going to be long enough. Nope. So you need longer screws. So sometimes these assholes, what they'll do is they'll sell you this. They'll sell you hardware, but not the actual screws you need. Just a way for them to get your money, basically. So not only are you buying screws, you bought their hardware already. They give you 2 pieces of junk you don't even need. So I'm gonna dig through. I think I got some screws. So I dig through my trash here. So when I bought these knobs, not the bars, they came with. They're nice, and they included short screws and long screws. So I know that for the cabinets that I'm going to use these for, I need short screws. So luckily, lifesaver, they included some long screws in with this pack. So after some extensive digging, I was able to find only two. So luckily, this is the last actual bar I have to do on this on these cabinets. So I lucked out, right? Thanks for trying to screw me. Hardware store I won't mention. Giant chain of hardware stores I won't mention. The most popular hardware store in the Midwest I won't mention. In the back of this, obviously, I used my drill, drilled through it, and now I'm just gonna Phillips head, just put them right, punch them right through. They're in. And just go from the back, put your handle on, go from the back, start one, get it started, move the other one over, get that started. Yeah, kind of doing even deal here. Wow, we got a handle. We got a handle now. Alright, so we use my same thing. I don't need a level for this because I've already measured it before and I know exactly what's going on here. So, take my template and put it right there in the corner. Okay? Because I've already measured where a knob should go. And there's no real, some people will put them in the middle of the cabinet door. I always like them on the top. I think it looks better. But just put that there. You can use a clamp if you want. My clamp's somewhere buried in my heap of tools, so I have a hand. My hand works just fine. I'll use the clamp that God gave me. Drill. Hold that bad boy there. You're going to use the top of it, okay? Like I said, I even wrote top on it. Drill it. Okay. Now, that hole's done. Close that. Open this bad boy. Same thing. Okay. Perfect. Both even. Same size hole. Using my template. I'm not trying to sell you my template because it's not even made yet. I don't even have anyone to manufacture it. I don't even have the patent back yet. But it's submitted, so you can't steal it because I already have the idea submitted. Yeah, definitely not trying to sell you anything. So on these, I can use the short screws. So Go ahead and do the same thing I did with the top. Do that with this bad boy. That one right in. Short screw. Going. 2 knobs. Bad boy on. Screw on the back. Right on. Screw it in. Wow. Beautiful. Cabinet hardware. So, there you go. That's pretty much all there is to it. Good luck doing it on your own. Go buy some cabinet hardware. Put it on. Now you know how to do it. So like, subscribe. Watch some more videos. See you next time.
Pictures of ghosts.